Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is extremely creative, unique and eye-catchy in itself because in my today's video I'm going to share very easy, simple, designer style, elegant and easy to make beginner friendly design ideas of hand embroidery. These are based on very easy, simple one or two hand embroidery stitches, and for making more beautiful and creativity of these design ideas you can make use of pearls, beads and more creative items as well. So friends, do try these patterns. Only 1 to 2 embroidery stitch. Like, just take an example of this gray dress. Only French knot is required to make the whole design. So this black and pink, only forward stitch is required to make the whole pattern. So this white multi, only twisted knots or bullion knots are required. So similarly, same is the matter and design idea for the rest of the design ideas. Only 1 to 2 hand embroidery stitches are required to make a whole new stylish kurti, designer style blouse, designer style shirt, designer style frock, gown or maxi blouse as well. So do try these patterns, share your experiences with us and let us know in the comment section that what you want us to teach you, what you want us to share with you, and please massively share my videos with your friends and family so that we could grow up into a large and a remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members. So stay blessed, stay connected. If you want to get stylish, trendy and crazy ideas related to women fashion world and dress designing ideas, by following our suggestions, opinions and ideas, you could become a designer of your own by sitting at your homes without paying any heavy fees to the fashion designers as well. So thank you so much for watching. Jazakallahu khaira. Hope to see you soon back in my channel in my new videos. Up till then, take care of yourselves, stay protected, stay motivated, stay safe, stay home, and may all of your friends and family members could stay protected from dangerous and pandemic situation COVID that is affecting human lives massively day by day. Thank you once again.